Alright, it was like super sunny out, but in today's video, I'm gonna just try to do a quick one, but I got a cool ass car to show you. Check out these two Hellcats. Well, this is a Demon, and that's a Hellcat. And these are like, you can see the difference from right here. But the actual car I want to show you is none of these. It's this car right here. This is the Trackhawk. At least, I think that's what it's called. Let me make sure. Yeah, this is the Trackhawk. Before I open it and get inside, I gotta show you the outside of it. It looks like a normal, how do I say it? Looks like a normal Jeep, but from here you could totally tell something's up with it. Sorry for the sirens. But at this angle, just right here, you could see that the car is like completely different. Well, at least the front end is super modified. The rims are really nice. These should be an option for almost every Jeep, because even on a normal one, they would look sick. And these scoops right here are just awesome. I'm pretty sure they're not for like aerodynamics. This car probably weighs like 5,000 pounds. But as you can see from the front, it's fucking great. Let me get a thumbnail. Boom. Alright, anyways, so let me go ahead and show you the back now. I'm gonna do this in 3 steps. I'm gonna do the outside, the back. I might turn it on. It has a dual exhaust. It's pretty fucking dope. Trackhawk. Now if you want this car, all these cars that I'm showing you guys are available. They're for sale. If you want them, hit me up on Instagram. My DM and my Instagram's always open and available for you to reach me. So don't think twice. See, Trackhawk. It has a little bit of carbon fiber right here, you know, just to make it look a little bit more sporty, so you know that you could pretty much kill any car on the road, literally almost any car. Because when this came out, this was supposed to be the fastest SUV pretty much in the world. One of my favorite things about it is actually the back. Like, these new ones come with little screens in, and I work with Bentleys and Rolls Royce every day, so they kind of are heading that way. I mean, if they could change this into being leather wrapped, that would look awesome. But still pretty cool. Your normal Jeep Cherokee. You guys don't know how many times I've taken apart a door to fix these cars, because I do body work. So let me show you the driver's seat. I can't open it because it's too close back here, but I'm talking about the back. I can't open the back because it's too close to the wall. But let me go ahead and show you. This is the driver's seat, driver's door. Man, when I first saw this about 2 days ago, I was like, wow. But then again, 2 days ago, I actually got to drive the new Rolls Royce Cullinan, and that was just an experience of its own. So in here, there's really nothing different. If you've driven a Jeep Cherokee, you know what it is to be behind here. It's the same thing. Doesn't feel any different. All I could tell that's different is there's Alcantara everywhere. On the top, even on this right here. It's pretty nice. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on so you guys can hear what it sounds like. And this was just a quick overview. I could drive the car, but I don't know if a lot of people are really interested in this car still, so yeah. And then again, I have these two over here that I really want you guys to see. This is a Hellcat and this is a Dodge Demon. So if you guys want to see a video on those two, because those two cars they have a lot of differences, but they're minor. But once you drive these cars often, they become very like something you want from a car. Like, for example, I'll just give you an example right now. The Hellcat right here, it has like this steering wheel, the same thing, like leather perforated. And the Demon over there, the green one, it has Alcantara steering wheel, which just, I don't know, to me it makes the car feel very nice. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, press the brake, just like every other car. And this one has a red start button. Sounds okay. It is supercharged. It has 700, if I'm right, I think these numbers are right, the ones I'm about to say, but I'm not sure. Don't hold me to it. And I have the red key right here. If you don't have the red key, you can't unlock all 707 horsepower from this car. Wow, sounds awesome to me. Let's see. Wow. All right, turn it off. I'm glad you guys got to hear it. Again, if you guys want to see more on this car, let me know. And if you're interested in buying it, the car doesn't have any miles really on it. It was only driven a couple times, and you can contact me again on Instagram, and that's going to be the best way for us to do business. Now, a lot of you guys have been asking me if I still have my car. My car's right there. So yes, I do still have my car, but nothing's really been done to it. Still same thing. Tires, you guys already know what happened with the old rims. So yeah, but my car's fully dirty, I know. But anyways guys, that's it. That's all I gotta say for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one.